Hello, and welcome to Vacations by Tiffany. I'm your go-to travel agent for all things cruises, Disney, and much more. In this episode, I'm on Virgin Voyages, Scarlet Lady, and I'm going to show you all the delicious options for dinner. Starting off, we have Extra Virgin, the Italian restaurant on the ship. This place has a spectacular menu. Antipasto, appetizers, pasta, and main dishes that are so delicious. Virgin Voyages really wants to change up the traditional way that people cruise. One of the ways is by eliminating the large main dining room and giving everyone specialty dining included in their cruise fare price. There are over 22 dining options on the Scarlet Lady, but today I'm going to focus on the 6 restaurants that would definitely be an extra charge on any other cruise line. So let's get to the next one. Here we are at Pink Agave. This is a modern Mexican restaurant with a totally Instagrammable entrance. Definitely stop here to take some photos. If you ask me, this ship rivals some of the most over-the-top epic hotels in Vegas. The menus in all of these restaurants were designed by several Michelin star chefs from New York and around the world. Now, I want to point out that as soon as you sit down at your table, your server will ask if you have any allergies or dislikes, and whatever your dietary needs or desires are, they will give you alternatives or modifications. So, for example, if you prefer mild or maybe even zero spicy food, and you're in a Mexican restaurant, they can absolutely accommodate you. Wow, look at all these tequila choices. Just to let you know, I have a whole other episode right here on this channel all about the bars and drinks on board, so go check it out. Next up is Ganbae, which means cheers or bottoms up in Korean. This right here is the first Korean barbecue restaurant ever on a cruise ship. A really awesome feature are the hand washing sinks right as you walk in. One of the many neat things about Virgin Voyages is that you can choose to eat at whatever restaurant you want. You can pick the same one each night or choose a new and completely different one. Do you prefer Italian over anything else? Or you could eat there every night. There's no rules. You can also order room service or choose anything from the quick grab areas around the ship. Right from the start and throughout dinner, this restaurant has high energy, fun-loving vibes as you mix and mingle with the other sailors and have a fantastic meal cooked right at your table. You might even play a drinking game or two. Now let's take a minute to listen to this sizzle. Yum. Whether it's appetizers, veggies, or desserts, everything at this restaurant is top notch. And just a reminder, with me as your travel agent, I'm available to answer all of your questions about breakfast, dessert, and everything in between. All right, this next restaurant is called The Wake, and it's the steak and seafood restaurant on board. Walking into this space, you'll feel like you just stepped into a fine steakhouse in Manhattan. And the raw bar is just as awesome as some of the best in the Big Apple. Wow, check out this view. Located at the aft of the ship, or the back, it gets its name because of the views of the wake of the ship. This restaurant has lots of alternative options if steak isn't your favorite, but you really want to soak up this beautiful atmosphere. There's lots on the menu. No, don't worry, this isn't science class. It's the test kitchen and my personal favorite restaurant on the Scarlet Lady. After strolling through the shops, you'll come up to this super fun entrance and even more fun restaurant, taking cruise cuisine to a whole new molecular gastronomy level. Now, I just want to remind you again that this is all included in the price of your voyage, along with so many other details. Experimental cocktails, anyone? The bartenders can't wait to make you some tantalizing treats. Do you like what you see here? I can completely personalize your dining reservations to your likes and wants. So if you're vegan or vegetarian, I can plan those restaurants for you. Or if you want all meat all the time, I can help you out too. Here's Razzle Dazzle. Now this is the one place that I didn't get to dine for dinner, unfortunately. But I did have an amazing brunch there, so check out my episode all about brunch and lunch on the Scarlet Lady. Thank you very much for watching. Please visit vacationsbytiffany.com to contact me and we can start planning your cruise on Virgin Voyages today. See you next time.